Hello and welcome to Three Bears Home Staging's template shop tutorials. Right now I'm going to show you how to create QR codes directly in Canva and easily add them to your design. We have a few different Canva templates in our shop that use QR codes, and these are super handy to use in your marketing materials because they provide an instant, hassle-free way to connect your users or customers directly with a sign-up page or a landing page that contains additional information. Now, before we get started, be sure that you're using a computer or a laptop for your initial setup and design work. The Canva app is great for small edits later on, but some of these features may not be accessible on a phone or tablet. So start by logging into your canva.com account and then open your template, or you can start with a new design. Next, on the far left side of your screen, you'll see the editor panel. You want to scroll down and click Apps. Now it's this little square of 9 dots. Click that. And then you'll type in QR at the top, and you'll see these QR code generator apps pop up. I'm going to just use this one called QR code. Your next step is that you will enter the URL of the page you want your QR code to open to. So for example, if I want to send someone in my marketing materials directly to my website, I would put the Three Bears Home Staging website and then click on Generate Code. And you'll see the QR code will be added to your design. You can pick it up, move it, place it anywhere you want in the design. You can make it smaller, larger. Very, very straightforward, simple to use. Now, if you want to customize the look of your QR code by changing the background or foreground colors, maybe you want to use some of your branding colors. So for example, Three Bears Home Staging uses orange. And if I wanted to make my QR code orange, I could come in here and type that in the foreground color. I could adjust the margins and then click Update Code, and it will make that change for you as well. And that's it. If you need help with any of our Three Bears Home Staging templates for Canva, please reach out to us on our website, and be sure to give this video a like if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.